How to trace and convert image in LightBurn for better engraving results. Import image you want to use. Right-click, choose Adjust Image, and adjust to desired result. Take your time when adjusting the images to find the best results. Right-click and save processed bitmap. Import saved bitmap to LightBurn. Right-click and trace image, adjust to desired image. As you can see, there is a big difference between the standard and the processed images. Play around with the settings until you find the best settings that will work for you. You can ungroup the traced image and delete the parts you don't need.